be doing any power adders or nothing like that. Just a couple of cosmetic upgrades. So let's get to it. We're gonna be adding a few upgrades to the ZX14. Now, first thing we're probably gonna install is gonna be the windscreen. Then we got 1-inch bar risers. We got new handle grips with the spike ends. And we also have new brake and clutch levers. So it's pretty windy outside. I'm gonna probably just take out a piece at a time and just take my time, get it done. Probably take me a couple hours because it's windy and cool today. And I'm really not with it. But I'm gonna try to get it done though. Let's get it. All right, guys. Since I already had this little tool on me, I went ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and install the handlebar risers first. Now, I went ahead and broke these free because they were tight as hell. So, well, using this little tool, you know, I had to get a hammer and tap it around until they freed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and get the riser on there and see the difference and how it feels. We got the old ones off and put the 1-inch on there, 1-inch spacers on, and just going from a maybe, what is this, probably a 3/4 inch spacer to a 1-inch, you can see and feel the difference. I mean, you probably can barely see it on here, but I can definitely feel the difference. So I think the 1-inch overall is gonna be perfect for me. I'm 6'2". So, you know, riding a crotch rocket long distance is not pleasant at all. Hopefully this will make it a more comfortable ride. I'm sure I'll still get some of my same aches and pains, but hopefully I can enjoy the ride a little bit better or go a longer distance before those discomforts pop up. And all you bike riders, you know what I'm talking about. So not only your back, but other areas, but we'll see. All right, we got those all installed. Gotta tap this in some more. It's kind of cricket, but ride's way better. I'm sitting straight up now. Well, just about straight up, and I think the ride's gonna be a lot better. We'll see. Now on to the windshield. All right, we got the new windscreen on. Just a temporary windscreen, so I ordered a cheap one. It's only like $25. I got another windscreen in mind. It's more for show, but I got another one in mind, so I'm just ordering this one as a temporary windscreen. The other one was clearer, and I just like the blacked out look better. I think it look a lot better. These mirrors are trash. This one's scarred up pretty bad, so plan on getting new mirrors. I think it look a lot better with this windscreen on over this one, a stock one. I don't really care for that. I'm gonna get me some, probably get my YouTube channel to the side or something like that. Let's try to bring a little red or a little life into the windscreen, but you know, it's coming along. Plus the bike is really filthy, so when I watched it, I think it'll look pretty good. As I was getting ready to install my grips, they don't fit. Ain't that about a sack of shit? After realizing my handlebar grips wasn't gonna work, I messaged the seller and I didn't like the way he responded. I don't know. He told me to send them back, but he didn't say they was gonna send out a new pair or reimburse me for shipping, or I don't know. I don't like all that. You know, when I order something, when they get there, I just want it to be right. But anyway, I'm gonna get some kind of grinding tool or something and try to see can I open it up myself. And if not, it's just a few dollars wasted. I'll try another type. But either way, they didn't work out. I got frustrated. I quit. Try to find something else to do to free my mind.
One eternity later.
Just pull up on these youngsters, man, at this car meet. Trying to see what all they got out here. Not a big crowd or nothing, but we're stopping, taking a peek though. Let's check it out. Y'all boys ain't looking for no smokers.
Where the hell my ride go? Crazy.
love this thing, bro.